My name is Darren Gertis, and if you can give me 2 minutes, I can help you become a better instructor. So it's time that we have to get our midterm grades in, and I want to show you how to handle Blackboard in such a way that you can make light work of this. So I'm going to go to Blackboard, and when I go to Blackboard, I'm going to just select a course, and here I'm going to select a course. I'm going to go into my grade center, full grade center. So I've positioned the grade center in such a way that you can't see names. All you see is totals, and so you have the grades, the totals that they have so far, and let's say it's out of 400 or 450 points or whatever. So a simple way is just to do some quick math, divide, and then you have a grade. But what I also like to do is I like to, just because I want to see things a little bit more clearly, I like to take this and I go to work offline and I download and I put it into an Excel spreadsheet just so I can see and manipulate the grades a little bit. And so when I do that, you'll see that it'll have a number of settings. I don't touch the settings, and if I don't touch the settings, I just click submit and download. And when I do, I have something that looks like this. Now, you see first and last names. I have gone ahead and changed all the last names. The grades are a little altered as well, so it's not a problem. So when I pop this up, it doesn't have the percentage for me. I have to do that. And I do that by, I simply make sure that the columns assignments are all, this is the total, and I create a total line on the bottom, add sum it here, and when I add sum, then I simply divide. Here you see the formula. I'm dividing the students' points by the total number of points possible, and then you have grades. Now, to put in the midterm grade, you log in and you go to faculty. After you've clicked on faculty, you go to grade entry and you view your course list, and then you go in and you assign grades. You click on there and just simply assign the grades. I've already done this, but I don't want to get involved in a FERPA violation, so I'm not going to click through, but it's very easy once you get to that stage. So that's all for now. If you're a CSU faculty member and you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to serve you.